Disclaimer: this channel doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome to this tutorial on installing and using the AdvPhishing tool in Termux for social engineering hacks. Today, we'll guide you step by step through the entire process. First, ensure you have Termux installed on your Android device. If you haven't done this yet, head to the Play Store or F-Droid and download it.
First of all, open Termux and type package up Y and press enter. This code will update your packages. After that, type package install git Y and press enter. This process will take some time, and after that type git clone https://github.com/ignitech/advphishing and press enter. Type cd advphishing and press enter. Type chmod +x and press enter. After that type bash android-setup.sh and press enter. Here allow this permission to access all the files. Here this screen appears and it will ask you to enter the ngrok token. After this, one question will come in your mind. Where and how to get this token? So, don't worry, I will guide you. First of all, press home button and run Termux in background. Open Chrome browser, type ngrok and press search button. After this, click first site. Here click 3-line and choose sign up option. Here you can choose any option for sign up, but I chose here sign up with Google. Now select email ID from which you want to sign up and press continue. Now tick the terms of service by clicking on it and click create account button. Now skip all of these options. Click on got it. After that, click on 3 lines and click on your auth token option. Copy the auth token by clicking on copy button. Now come to Termux and paste your copied auth token code here and press enter. Now type bash advphishing.sh and press enter. Type Y and press enter. Here you can see AdvPhishing tool is installed in your Termux. If you don't know how to use it, so don't forget to comment.
I hope you like this video. If this is your first time on my channel, then like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and set it to all. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thanks for watching.